Welcome to a quick culinary journey. Today, we dive into the ocean's bounty with a fresh seaweed and sea urchin soup, teeming with green leafy goodness. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need a handful of fresh seaweed, 2 sea urchins, and an assortment of your favorite leafy greens. Don't forget the basics: garlic, onions, and vegetable broth. Get your pot heated, drizzle in some olive oil, and sauté your garlic and onions until they're golden and fragrant. Next, add your cleaned and prepared seaweed, letting it soften and release its salty flavor. Now it's time for the sea urchins. Be sure to handle with care as you scoop out the roe and add it to your simmering pot. Let it mingle with the seaweed for a couple of minutes before pouring in your vegetable broth. Once your broth is simmering, add in your leafy greens: spinach, kale, or bok choy. The choice is yours. Let them wilt and absorb the flavors of the sea. Lastly, season to taste. A dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and your soup is ready. Savor the flavors of the ocean, enhanced by the earthy goodness of leafy greens, all in one bowl of fresh seaweed and sea urchin soup. Enjoy!